In this video, let us see how to add a multiple choice question with multiple correct answer into the quiz of our subject. So from the dashboard, you click on your subject, and then right hand side, in the right hand side top, we are able to see this settings. Click on the settings and then more. So we are able to see the question bank column here. Click on questions. And see, under questions, we are able to see the category. You need to choose the category. If you have multiple categories, choose appropriate category. Otherwise, you can choose this top for communication protocol in IoT. So all the question will be added in this particular category. So now I created a category called Compre exam. So to create questions for Compre exam, so I am selecting that particular option and then click on create a new question. So here we need to choose the type of the question. Now we want to add a multiple choice question. If you have single answer, you go for the first option. If you have multiple correct answer, then we can select this particular option called all or nothing multiple choice. Okay, click on this particular option and then click on add. So here we need to type the question name. This is just short description for the question. You can even give the number here and then type the question. I have a sample question here. So I am adding that particular question which has multiple answers. So I am just copying it and Control V, paste it here and insert the choices one by one. We don't need to change any of these options. So you just insert choices, choice 1, copy and paste it, choice 2, paste choice 2 and then choice 3 and 4. Choice 3 and then choice 4. So after pasting all the choices, you select the correct answers. So for this question, A, C and D are the correct answers. So I am choosing correct. Just click on correct, choice 1, choice 3 and choice 4. That's it. Now click on this save option, save changes. Okay, now see, we are able to see this question under Compre exam category. Now if you want to see the preview, you can just click on this edit and click on preview. See, now this is the preview. Now the student will be able to see the question like this only. So he has to go for A, C and D. Only when he select the correct answers, he will get full mark. For example, if he selects only A and C, he will get only 0 marks. He has to select only the correct options. Even if he selects all the 4 options, he will get 0 only. It should exactly match with the answer. Okay, this is the preview. Thank you.